Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Man at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it.
Drop test. What the?
Hey, that's not high enough.
So we're filming a GTR today.
Yes. Here at this wonderful spot of construction.
It's a good spot though. Got a crane and a tree.
Just get me struggling.
Cars are here. You ready?
I'm ready. Here, wait, you wanna tie it on?
Apparently, this car makes 1,000 horsepower. GTR. Look at this. What year is this thing?
83.
Wow.
83 original paint. Just a swapped engine and built.
What engine does it have in it? Does it have like a diesel engine or is it the...
It had a diesel, so it's a diesel box.
With a 2-liter swapped engine. Alright, let's go do some rollers. What are you doing now?
Huh?
What are you doing right now? Explain to the people.
I'm putting on what do you call an ND filter?
What does that do?
It look it up.
Hey, Rick.
Alright, appreciate it.
What, 5.0 S-Dot?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
You're the camera master, aren't you?
I don't do slog in this bright of light.